Okay everyone, it's Reed here. I got a quick gardening video I want to show you guys. So here's my okra, and this is very heavy clay soil. And the okra has basically said, screw you, this stinks. And as you can see over here, let me get down close, this okra, get here, there we go. It's going to make some flowers. So this is as tall as this is going to get. So heavy clay soil and okra, not a win. Not a win. Now my pepper plants I got back here, they're doing fine. They're getting bigger, they're growing. I've already got flowers on some, so they're gonna make peppers for me just fine. The okra, no, it's not liking this. It's not liking this at all. It's like, I hate you. This is just horrible. Yeah, so that kind of happens. So learn some on that. Okra, not a fan of heavy clay soil. It's a little too hard for it. Even with the additional urea and other stuff I've given it, it just is like, this stinks. This is really bad. So no win there. So I got to get a lot more plant material under here in the soil, get this working, and then this can be used for some other stuff. So not too win on that. But let me show you an update on the corn. Okay, here's the popcorn, and it is doing quite well, getting growing, moving along and stuff. This was planted much later than my blue corn, which is ridiculously tall. We'll get to it in a second. So here's another little section of the blue corn. I mean, not blue corn, the popcorn. So there it is. The beans are really liking living with that tree right there. And that tree's been doing good. Doing quite good. It's got an establishment. We'll see how much it grows next year and such. And here's another planting of popcorn. This was another later one, but we'll be there. It'll be nice and tall. So the silk times that'll come in with different, so the blue corn won't cross with my popcorn, which we find. And you can see back here, these are Hopi black dye sunflowers. And boy, are they going. Now, you can see these ones are smaller, and then we got this big one. I think this one found a deposit of cat poo. Because as we were digging out here, we found all sorts of, this was a litter box for the cats that live in the neighborhood. So some of the ground's a little more fertilized than other parts. But yeah, that works. And then, there we go. Hopi blue corn. Yeah, it's been doing well. We still have a bit more planting, and we'll get stuff in just before frost. With a little more work we're going to get done tomorrow. But that's pretty much it. We're going to have things go in our circle gardens and our potatoes and our sunchokes and beans and everything. And then we'll do a fall. But nice thing is we're getting beds, we're getting stuff figured out. We're going to build more as things are just in maintenance mode while they're just growing away. We'll get more beds ready, so we'll have a lot more area to plant. But we actually got something accomplished. So we're growing more food. And I got a lot to build up here. Yeah, we got a lot of work to go up there. We're working on it, working away. And then I got to get the whole front yard. So as we build stuff, I'll show you what we're building. And then, next year we'll get to see a lot of stuff planted and growing away. And I'm certain since other neighbors grow stuff in the front yards, other people are going to be like, they're growing more stuff. Hopefully this is somewhat interesting. Take care, everyone. Have a great day. Reed out.